That means if you make yourself as a servant to God, to your parents, to your master, it is possible that tomorrow you shall no longer be called Lawrence, just ordinary Lawrence. You shall have an attached honorable name. When they want to address our president, they don't just call him Pabia. Are we together? His Excellency. His Excellency. David was a David, but when David was anointed, he was no longer called ordinary David. He was called King David. Esther was Esther when she wasn't a queen, but immediately Esther was anointed as a queen. She became Queen Esther. I was Kelvin, but from the day God made me who I am today, they call me Pastor Kelvin. Are we together? Service will guarantee you a new honorable name. Your service, but the guarantee ain't no honorable. When you don't have a place of service in the house of God, in your father's house, in your school, in your place of work, your name will continue to be the same. Your name will continue to be the same. We see the man in the Bible called Solomon. Oh la la. My Bible tells me Solomon loved his God and followed the instructions of his father David. Solomon was in love with God and he followed the instructions of his father David. 1 Kings chapter 3 verse 3. Enroi chapitre 3 verset 3. Enroi 3 verset 3. Bible says David loved God and walked according to the ways of his father. And he did not only walk according to the ways of his father, but Solomon dominated his father in soul winning. What? Someone who knows about David. David was a warrior. He was a man of war. David killed a lot of souls. But Solomon, when God asked Solomon, my servant, my son, what do you want me to give to you? Solomon did not ask God, give me the lives of the people, let me destroy. No. Solomon did not ask God, give me a lot of money. No. Solomon did not ask God, give me a lot of houses. No. But my Bible tells me, Solomon asked for wisdom. Give me your wisdom so that I'll be able to gather your people together. These were people, I don't want them to scatter abroad. Give me wisdom. God said, wow, you have asked the right thing. I will not only give you wisdom, I will add you riches, glory, and honor that none of the kings have ever had before you and after you. See, today, let me tell you something. There is a secret you do not know. When you engage in serving God and in bringing people to church, the kind of favor you will obtain from God, even your pastor who is not interested in soul winning cannot obtain it. Let me tell you something. When you, as a Christian, you engage in serving God by inviting people to church, and your pastor, your prophet, whosoever you have as a shepherd in church, isn't interested in the advancement of the church, forget, God will decorate your life more than him. It's possible, 100% possible. Solomon, the son of David, became greater than David because of soul winning. So I advise you, children of the Almighty, go and serve God. Go and win soul. Si tu sais que tu es enfant de Dieu, ne reste pas enfant de Dieu, s'il te plaît. Va et servir Dieu en gagnant les âmes. Si tu peux gagner les âmes pour Dieu, laisse-moi te dire quelque chose. L'Éternel est capable de te décorer avec des bénédictions que même ton pasteur n'y aura pas. C'est 100% possible. Je vous dis un secret ce matin. Now,